Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how I've made this Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10 out of clay so far. Some of the body parts are ready so far, but you can already recognize the shape of the Lancer. I've made the side part and the rear bumper. I decided to try making a car with a body kit. Before this, I used to make stock cars, but this time I wanted to try making something even cooler. Thanks to the tuning, meaning this body kit and the extensions, the car will end up looking like this. The only thing is, I might not make a thin splitter, side skirt or rear diffuser because at such a small scale those parts would be too fragile. I'm making the car out of very hard NSP clay, which is perfect for modeling cars and fine detailing. I also use sculpting clay, but it's much softer. I'm building the car according to blueprints, constantly comparing it with the model to make sure everything fits and is done the way it should be. I also look at the car in 3ds Max, where I carefully examine everything to create the correct shapes. There are actually two versions here. One is the stock car and the other already has a body kit. The underside of the car is also ready, but right now I've covered it with clay so I don't damage any small parts during sculpting, since I often pick up the model and hold it by the underside. Inside you can see foil. It's needed to hold the clay in the desired shape. It gives the structure strength and it also adds to the quality of the damage effects. I make the clay body parts intentionally thin, about 1 mm thick, so that the car can deform and get damaged during collisions. So, most likely after I finish making the Lancer, I'll crash it soon and put it through a crash test. Right now, about 50% of the car is done and there's still a lot of work left. And that's why I'm showing you the intermediate stage of the build, just so I can show you something. So, you can see the model from the inside, how it's built, and this is an extra video so the channel doesn't stay inactive, since as you can see building the car takes a lot of time. I hope you'll appreciate the effort, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Well, I'm going to continue working on building this Lancer, and that's all I have for you. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.